I made $20,000 yesterday and I ain't even jump up out the bed. Bag a leg, take a rent until he got the bed, walking like I'm Fred. Bonnie Rubble riding in the bubble, but it's stolen, watching for the feds. Made $20,000 yesterday, little boy, you heard what I said. You came in and rockin' the
It's the dark skin savage, my nigga.
Hey, bro, we back with another We back with another motherfucking Johnny Depp case. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, this shit has been kind of funny. I'm not gonna lie. It's been entertaining.
Yo, I got blue balls, bro.
What the fuck is you talking?
Hey, Baba, anyway, man. Johnny Depp Part 5. Hey, we've been entertained by this shit.
Free Johnny Depp in the fucking chat.
Yeah,
free
bro.
Johnny, bro.
Come on, bro. What are the evidence you need, bro? Like,
or free Jack Sparrow, bro. For real.
Yeah, free my Pirates of the Caribbean nigga, man.
And make sure y'all like this video too, because nigga, that shit helps us tremendously. So
yeah,
watch this shit. It doesn't take long, but just swipe down this video.
Like and get back to the video. Thumbs up, bro. Just give it a thumbs up. Oh, there.
Love you.
Yeah,
I
do
love
that
you.
before I smack you with this blue ball. So y'all ready to get into this?
Let's get it, man. Let's go.
Let's. Hey, yo, come on. Sit back.
Alright. Here we go again.
How many times have you seen Mr. Depp use marijuana?
Too many to count. I mean, daily.
Nigga, be off the gas.
When you're working security for Mr. Depp, it's Mr. Depp and Mr. Depp alone that is your client, correct?
That is not correct.
Well, in fact, you saw Mr. Depp push or shove Whitney Heard, correct?
Who's Whitney Heard?
Absolutely not.
And it was only after Mr. Depp pushed Whitney that Amber stepped forward and punched him in the face. Isn't that right?
That is not correct.
Your next witness.
Mr. Depp calls Jack Wiggum, who should be waiting in the electronic lobby.
Okay.
Were you aware of Mr. Depp's professional reputation at the time you became his agent in October of 2016?
I would say objection leading, and I think it's going to call for hearsay.
What's the hearsay?
At this point. Go ahead.
I think it's like.
I'll overrule at this point. Go ahead.
Johnny's reputation, in my opinion, was very well regarded and respected by peers in the artistic community.
Your Honor, I'm going to object. First of all, he says in his opinion, which he's not an expert witness, and second, he's now going into hearsay. No, I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Mr. Wiggum, Her Honor, you may continue.
I remember Brian Lord and myself finishing a deal that had started at the previous agency.
Objection, Your Honor. May we approach? Okay. Hold on a minute.
He's like, bro, can I fucking talk, bro?
They try to put him in hearsay when he literally said mouthpiece, so you can't hearsay.
Oh yeah, somebody in the comments said like what they're trying to do is like they're trying to provoke him to
act out of character.
Yeah, act out of character. Because
Yeah.
I saw it the first one we did. Somebody like commented, it was like what they're trying to do is like they're trying to like provoke
So they can use that against him.
Yeah, so they can easily fuck his ass up.
Yeah, he said that. Yeah, so that means the characters being there.
Yeah, it's like, oh shit, you just showed the whole world.
Yeah.
Nigga, that shit is not working, bro. Yeah, this shit is not working, bro. Them niggas is getting
I'll be here every day.
She can't wait to get that shit over with.
That is true. They're trying to make that nigga.
What role was Mr. Depp to play in Pirate 6?
Objection calls for speculation. I'll allow it. And hearsay. I'll allow it.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
In 2017, to what extent, if any, was Mr. Bruckheimer supportive of Mr. Depp remaining in the Pirates franchise?
Objection, Your Honor, calls for hearsay. I'll sustain objection.
Thank you, Your Honor. To what extent, if any, did Mr. Depp socialize with anyone at Disney in 2017, to the extent you know?
Objection, Your Honor. I'll allow it to the extent he knows.
Do you know whether Mr. Depp socialized with Disney during 2017, yes or no?
Objection, Your Honor. Foundation and hearsay.
I do.
God damn, nigga, shut up.
You can lay a foundation to how he knows.
And Your Honor, may we please publish this to the jury as it's been previously. Oh, it is. Thank you. How, if at all, did Ms. Heard's op-ed impact Mr. Depp's ability to land roles in studio films between December 2018 and October 2020?
Objection, Your Honor, calls for hearsay, foundation, and expert.
I'll sustain that objection. Next. Are you near the end, Mr. Chu? I just want to make sure because
I
it's
am
coming up on
near.
a morning break. Okay.
This is an email chain with the subject line, quote, Johnny Depp's Jack Sparrow won't
I
return.
object to him reading
All right.
even from that to the jury. It's a hearsay document. He's asking questions from the hearsay document.
I'll allow that question. Let's see where we go.
Would you please explain to the jury what the message was about?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. Hearsay. He's asking him to essentially say.
One approach for a moment.
Well, like, but that type of shit pisses me off. Like, can you shut up?
Shut up!
It's so fucking annoying. Niggas chilling, but they just laughing about that.
Mr. Wiggum, did there come a time after Ms. Heard's publication of the op-ed on December 18, 2018, but before October 2020, that you learned more about Disney's plans about whether it would cast Mr. Depp in Pirate 6?
Objection, hearsay.
All right.
Well, sure,
I'm just
got
asking
over
whether-
for the next year.
Okay. I'll allow that.
Yes. What, if anything, did you learn about the role Margot Robbie would be playing in Pirate 6?
I'm just gonna use it.
I think that calls for hearsay. Yeah, Your Honor.
God damn!
Like, bro, I swear, bro.
To what extent did you reach out to Jerry Bruckheimer or Sean Bailey?
Objection, Your Honor, calls for hearsay.
It does not, Your Honor.
I'm overruled. I'll allow.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Like, bro, you be feeling every
Was
fucking
your
time. Just shut up.
outreach to Mr. Bruckheimer and Mr. Bailey successful?
Objection, leading.
I'll allow it.
She's just gonna keep it loud.
When was the last time you discussed Mr. Depp's role in Pirate 6 with Jerry Bruckheimer, Sean Bailey, or anyone else at Disney?
She ready to get up.
I'm going to object, Your Honor, on hearsay.
Overruled.
2019.
I ain't gonna lie, boy.
That judge gotta be good.
Yeah, nah, she over it too, cause she's like, but at this point,
I'm
I'm
over it.
overrule every fucking thing. But
I would've said,
it's
yo,
like-
shut
it's
up,
Like, everything
get out
that
my
she's
car.
saying now is just like, I don't even want to hear it. But I know, like, they have to like keep talking it up. But if I was a judge, I would be up there. Hey, yo, if you say one more shit about fucking hearsay, bro, hearsay, nigga. The judge knows
Hear what I say.
I'm allowing every
Say, listen, hear the fuck what I say. Sit your dumb ass down.
Here's what I say.
Here's what I say.
Shut your ass up.
Sit the
Fuck
fuck
down.
I know the judge knows the meaning of it.
moment
Hearsay,
she
right?
seen him.
Mhm. She knows the meaning of it. The fact that you can stand up and say hearsay, the judge knows if something is a hearsay. So it's like, nigga, don't sit here and trying to tell me what's a hearsay over and over, nigga. Sit your ass down.
2019, I believe.
In addition to Pirate 6, did Mr. Depp lose other films between December 2018 and October 2020 because of Ms. Heard's op-ed?
Objection.
I'll sustain the objection.
In addition to Pirate 6, did Mr. Depp lose any other films between December 2018 and October 20?
Objection, Your Honor. First of all, I don't think he testified that he lost Pirate 6. Second of all, it's
She's now contradicting the witness's testimony, which is
Just trying to ask the
inappropriate.
question
Both of you.
the other
Both
way.
of you overruled. Let's go. Next. Go ahead and answer the question. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go ahead and take our morning recess. Do not discuss the case with anybody and don't do any outside research, okay?
How would you know? Oh, they'll know, too. That nigga.
Well, look at the way she was looking at him.
Nobody taking a recess with?
Look at the way she was looking at him. Look at how she looking at him, bro. She's like, I'm trying to fuck you up, bro. Look at this nigga too. You over there like looking like Mr. Bean. Nigga.
I ain't gonna lie, he does look like Mr. Bean in his
Listen,
nose, man.
I'm here to just play around with y'all niggas. Y'all dumb as shit. Look how he looks away.
He's like, I'm biting.
Oh, you know why Johnny Depp's smart for doing that? He's looking away from them so that they don't have a reason to be like, oh my god, he's giving me a death stare.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
But I think they're supposed to be on recess, bro, and nobody's leaving, right?
Gentlemen, we'll go ahead and take our morning recess.
Let's not keep
Do
their
not
eyes
discuss
on
the
them.
case with anybody and don't do any outside research, okay?
Oh, they just kept keeping eyes on themselves to make sure, oh, they're not doing some extra shit. So I said, okay, so who's gonna recess? They were looking through this paper of blah, blah, blah.
He's testifying to the impact of the op-ed. I think it's, in fairness, we should be able to put this in and be able to make the comparisons.
It's clearly hearsay.
Okay, I'll sustain the
It's
objection.
not offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted, Your
I'll
Honor.
sustain the objection.
Okay. Well, let's go to... So do you recall that it says in here...
Objection, hearsay, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
She's just trying to backdoor your ruling.
Well, now they do the same thing. Right? How you gonna say in here? It's when that's the same thing the nigga was saying too. And you call her saying.
and the press that surrounded that case, do you recall it being focusing on things like Mr. Depp's drug and alcohol use?
They trying, like, bro, they trying to, like, find any, like, it's so fucked up.
You said about to take out that shit.
It's crazy.
God damn. It's about to snipe that shit.
Wow, you gonna get that for that.
I was just that shit blew up.
I don't recall when I first read it.
I mean, it wasn't a big deal to you. You didn't read it in 2018, correct?
I have a wife, 2 kids, a full-time job. I don't remember.
Okay. And you have no idea when you first read it? I just want to make sure I understand that.
Objection asked and answered, Your Honor. I'll sustain the
Look,
objection.
I wasn't
I'll
a
sustain the objection. Next question.
Okay.
I sustain the objection.
Okay.
Next question.
Mr. Marks, you were asked a series of questions about a number of publications and publicity related to Mr. Depp by Mr. Nadelhoff. Do you recall those questions?
He asked a lot of questions about a lot of articles.
Right, so you don't know how many people actually did the search for Johnny Depp in January 2004, correct?
Correct.
It could be 100 or it could be 1 million, right?
I don't know.
And you don't know if it's actually human beings doing these searches, correct?
As opposed to,
bots or something like that.
I did not do an analysis to determine if it's a bot or a human being, but Google Trends is a tool that's going to show you during a time frame the highest point of search interest as 100.
Okay. But you don't know if it's humans, bots, my cat doing the searches, correct?
Maybe you're a
Objection
cat.
asked and answered, Your Honor. Sustain
Maybe
next
you're a
question.
cat. Maybe you need to ask him.
Now,
Cat in this bitch. Fucking stupid ass.
text allegedly sent by Johnny Depp about
He a pussy because he got a cat, nigga.
Yeah, exactly.
Fuck that
Fucking
nigga.
pussy ass nigga.
Pussy nigga.
Niggas, like nigga, bring your cat then. The fact that you brought your cat into this, nigga, you might as well bring your cat in the court, nigga, and ask the damn cat, meow, bitch, did that shit? Nigga said, was there buds? Hold on, what the laughing about?
Objection asked and answered, Your Honor. Sustain next question.
Wait, hold on, what? Hold on.
What time is it?
Objection.
but you don't know if it's humans, bots, my cat doing the searches, correct?
Objection asked and answered, Your Honor. Sustain next question.
Now,
Niggas just
text
laughing.
allegedly sent by Johnny Depp about X read in court.
I mean, if you want to talk about these articles, we need to bring them up.
This is your opinion. You don't recall what articles you analyzed?
I mean, there's a lot of articles here. I didn't memorize each title.
There were 6 articles that you
Okay.
analyzed in the almost 2 years after the op-ed.
All right, can you bring those up and we can talk about them? I'd be happy to discuss them if you would bring those up.
And then you previously had a chart that had articles from November 2020, correct?
If you can just answer his yes or no
Oh,
question,
sorry.
that's fine.
I didn't hear your question.
You don't even know what question he is. Well, this judge is over it, man. We need Judge Judy.
This is just messy, bro.
We need Judge Judy in this bitch, bro. This shit would have been over a long time ago. She really end niggas' life, lock everybody in that motherfucker up. So it's like, you go to jail, I know you just came to watch, you go to jail.
You again.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It was all fun games at the beginning, but nigga, now shit's starting to get like, yo.
Pissing me off.
It's starting to piss me off because Johnny Depp really do not deserve this shit, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm not even trying to be on man's dick or nothing. It's just like, bro.
They try to find everything to fucking come at that.
Like, this is my nigga, bro. Y'all gotta understand, this is my childhood. Like, I grew up watching this nigga.
Yeah.
Like,
I haven't played a game too, but it was a
the Pirates of the Caribbean game. What you know about it?
Man, I played the shit out that motherfucker.
What you know about it?
What you know about it, bro? Yeah! But anyway, that would be it for part 5. If y'all want part 6, just keep dropping them likes and we'll keep bringing it. You know what I'm saying?
Brought up his cat, bro.
But that's the thing with freaking, they will be finding every way.
Because the thing is, like, nigga, the fact that he brought up his cat, bro, nigga,
but he was being sarcastic. Like, he was being sarcastic.
I know. I'm just saying, like, they're the type of motherfuckers on their side that if Johnny Depp's lawyer brought that shit up,
they'll get mad.
They will get on that shit and try to hearsay and be like, the cat is not part of the cat. So the cat. So maybe there's something about the cat. That's why he brought it up. So maybe we might have to investigate into that too as well and look if the cat was crossing the streets when Johnny Depp pulled up with a hammer.
My kitty.
Let's check the camera.
For some reason, I feel like Johnny Depp the type, like, when this whole shit is over, he gonna get a shirt that just says hearsay just to be a fucking dickhead, bro. I'll do some shit like that. Make a
hearsay.
They gonna make money off that shit too.
Hell yeah.
Hey, bro.
Buy that shit.
But anyway, that would be it for today's video, man.
Hey, man, thank you for tuning into the video, man. Please don't forget to
like, share, subscribe if you're new. God loves you. God bless you. And we see y'all.